Hi, I'm Jorge Diniz, a Senior Application Scientist at Renishaw, and today I'm working in the UK demo facility for the inLux SEM-Raman interface, which has recently been refurbished, and I'm very excited to show you what we can do here. Inside the SEM chamber, I've got a sample of a battery anode comprised of different types of carbon and multicrystalline silicon, and I'm using the SEM to locate regions of interest and using the high magnification and high resolution to see the morphology of the carbon and silicon particles. At the same time, I'm using the inLux Raman probe to acquire high-resolution Raman image where I can see the properties of the carbon and the silicon in the same area of the SEM analysis without moving the sample. At the same time, I can monitor the conditions of the sample using the SEM. We've used the inLux interface to analyze a wide range of samples, from a human bone, geological samples, microplastics, and many, many more. What would you analyze with inLux SEM-Raman interface? Get in touch today.